So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with TikTok in 2022. Hi guys, my name is RJ Martinez and I've been selling online for more than 5 years now. And I've been using TikTok to advertise my products and services. And I want to share some insight with you. Now, it's no secret that TikTok is one of the most popular social media platforms right now. And there are people that are making a ton of money off of it. So whether you're just starting out or you're already successful on TikTok, I'm pretty sure you'll find something useful in this video. TikTok is a social media app that's taken the world by storm. It's a great way to connect with friends and family and also show your creative side. But did you also know that you can make money with TikTok? We'll cover from monetizing your content to marketing your content. The first step to making money on TikTok is understanding how the app works. TikTok is a social media platform that allows users to create short form videos. You can share videos from 15-second videos, 30-second videos, 60-second videos, and recently they just released 3-minute videos, which is crazy. And you can edit them with music, sound effects, and filters. There are several different ways to make money with TikTok, so make sure that you're open-minded when watching this video. So if you're an Amazon seller, okay, you can create content around your products and drive traffic to your products. And sharing your links is easy to do on this platform. And by doing this, you can generate a side stream of income. So paying attention and putting in a workflow for yourself to be consistent on this platform is key. If you're getting value out of this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. And I have a question for you guys. Are you leveraging TikTok to drive traffic to your products or business? Number 2, create interesting and engaging content for your products. Once you understand how TikTok works, it's time to start creating content. The videos that perform the best on TikTok are creative, funny, and relatable pieces of content. If you can tick all these boxes off, you're on your way to making money. Here's some tips for creating content. Advertise your best products. Follow the trends. Make your content simple and understandable. A lot of people overlook that part right there. Creating something that the viewer wants and making it easy for them to follow is very important. So I've created videos where they get over 50,000 views, 15,000 views, 12,000, 28, 52, 16,000, 44,000. Those type of videos, just drive a ton of traffic and they start to rank more and more and more. The next step to making money on TikTok is building a following of fans and customers. The best way to do this is create content that people want to watch and share. And once you've built up a following, you can start promoting your products to your fans. And this can be done a few different ways. Sharing the link in your video, sharing the link in the comments, and sharing the link in the bio once you hit over 1,000 followers. All right, guys. So now, this is my TikTok account, as you can see right here, RJ Hustles. You can see how I have my brief description, okay, of my bio, and then I have a link right here where you click here. Obviously, I offer ebook, one-on-one, course, private group, publishing books on Amazon channel, and then a few Merch Informer tool, AI writing tool. So if they click there, that's one way of me monetizing content that I'm creating. This is something right here just to look at, and I would just keep looking at and seeing how you can make this better than what it is. The goal is to read the analytics to understand what's being shared and what people want more of. Most likely, if they're sharing it, that means most likely they want more of that type of content. Or if they're commenting and they have a question about certain thing, that's another piece of content that you can create, because most likely someone else is going to have that same question. Go in here, search on the search bar. Let's say, for example, let's type in print on demand. Okay, I make a lot of content around that. If you don't know, make sure you guys give me a follow. By looking at certain videos, like recent videos, to see what people are creating and putting your own spin on it, just to give people an idea of how to do certain things, how to create a certain design, how to do this and put it on a product for sale. You can do that, and there's so many different ways to approach different types of businesses, and this is one great way for you to create less competition for yourself by testing out new products. Okay, certain people are scared to test out different products other than shirt. By you testing out a new product, that's one way to create less competition for yourself, and not only that, make more money. You can also run ads to reach a wider audience, and once you have a larger following, you can sign brand deals and promote their products if you want to go that direction. And that's another great way to make money with TikTok. Number 4, earn money by selling your products and services. Another important step to make money on TikTok is monetizing your own content on your account. This can be done by selling products and services through your videos. You can also use affiliate marketing to earn commissions on sales that you generate. This is a great way to earn passive income with any social media. Number 5, use marketing techniques to increase sales. There are several different marketing techniques that you can use to increase sales. These include using influencers to promote your product, running ads on TikTok, and using TikTok supported marketing. TikTok is turning more into like a SEO friendly. You can see this is like a search bar now. You can see how I type in print on demand. These are all ideas for beginners. Think about what you can do here to create content in your niche or your business to drive traffic to your product or service. If you use these techniques, you can be sure you'll increase your sales and income. Number 6, maintain your account. You need to maintain your account to keep your followers engaged. This can be done by posting videos consistently and interacting with your fans and using TikTok marketing. I'm trying my best over here to stay consistent as possible, just to give you guys an idea as a content creator. Really awesome platform though, for sure. And you can see like the engagement that I get on the videos. You know, if I started producing more and more content over here and focus more on this would definitely just go up like crazy. But I'm just trying to, you know, average, you know, 3 to 5 videos over there a week. That's what I'm focusing on right now. There's days where I'll post 2 to 3 videos for the, you know, for the whole month. I was posting 2 to 3 videos a day and just kind of just repping out content. And it was a nice little learning experience and seeing if I can hold myself accountable. Let's go over here. So the engagement last 28 days, you can see averaging 40 video views, 44,000. If you have a product or service that you're offering and then you're getting that type of traction, that's pretty good, right? For the amount of content that I'm posting up. You know, if I literally doubled the content, everything here would probably double, if not even more. It'll be like another snowball effect. They're starting to, you know, as this platform's growing, they're giving us a ton of information, which is really cool because a lot of platforms don't do this type of stuff. You can see last 60. Crazy, right? So stay active and respond to those comments with videos or just a text comment. By you doing this, you're showing your followers that you actually care. And if you want to learn more about making money online, watch this video right here. Thank you very much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and make sure you subscribe. Peace.